गाइस वेलकम बैक अनदर वीडियो टुडे। ओके, और एक प्रोडक्ट लेके आ रहा हूँ, छोटा सा प्रोडक्ट है। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम आई एम शोइंग टू यू हियर। ओके, दिस इज इट। ओके, कैन यू गेस what is it? Okay, I'll tell you this. This is called a split speeder. This is from Hot Wheels. Okay, this is a very unique toy created by Hot Wheels. It has got a creative difference from the other toys or the other diecast models. Okay, again this is a diecast, however there are some portions of plastic in it. It's very heavy. It's not that light. It's on par. Okay, it has more weight than the Hot Wheels diecast cars. Feels heavy in the hand. Okay, and see, so what is unique in this? That is what we wanted to know. So this is again a free wheel. आप देख सकते हो free wheel है. Now the difference is that this is called a split speeder, and living up to its name, it gets split like this. See, so this gets split, and there are two parts. Okay, one part is this, one part is that, similar parts, two parts. Okay, in these two parts, what attaches both of them is the magnetic force. So there is a magnet over here, and this side, both the sides, there is a magnet, and this magnet, unlike poles, attract each other. So it's getting attached like this, attracted. So you can just play like this, and it gets from the split speeder, it becomes a single piece split speeder. You can see like this. So you can keep it like this and just wow, see. Okay, again we go again. Okay, so this is how it is made. Okay, to attach and to detach. So it's a very good product. It's not that costly. You will get it around the MRP is around 450 or 500 bucks. You may get it in the sale at around 250 or something. It's a possibility that's low to get lesser than that because it's a unique toy. So आपको पता होगा नॉर्मल डाइकास्ट कार्स की MRP हॉट व्हील्स की 150 160 होती है बेस मॉडल की. सो दिस इज़ तो यूनिक. दिस इज़ अ वेरी यूनिक मॉडल एंड अ यूनिक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक मॉडल. सो इट इज़ कॉस्टली. 450 or 400 bucks is a normal price maybe for that. Okay, if you get it in this price, it's very good. Buy it. Here it is mentioned at HWPD, that's Hot Wheels Police Department, to protect and serve. So that's what they have created, and there is a logo of 68 number. So बाकी कुछ है नहीं इसमें. If you see the wheels are hidden inside, plastic wheels hidden inside. Okay, it's made in China, this one anyways, but it's from metal, no doubt. The quality is top notch. Quality is very good. That's an awesome toy, guys. Once the kid knows how to play with it, they will play with this, okay, for hours and hours. See, so I have only one piece of this currently. I am planning to buy more of this. Got this from Flipkart. There are some signs of wear and tear because my child is playing currently with this. Very good toy and keeps children happy and engaged. Okay, so guys, you should buy this. Looks like a yacht or something, or maybe a spaceship or something, like, don't know. It's a very unique model and a must have for any kid. So worth buying. Buy for your kids, make them happy. If you like the information, please like the video, hit the like and the subscribe button. I'll be back with some more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.